National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not explicitly address air-supported structures. However, some sections provide guidance for electrical installations in similar structures. Section 520.24 addresses inflatable structures. This section applies to continuous, air-inflated structures having a membrane that is flexible and can be folded. Air-supported structures may not fall under this definition, but the principles can be applied. Section 520.41 addresses cord and cable connections. This section applies to the connection of cords and cables to equipment in temporary structures. It requires that connections be made in accordance with the equipment manufacturer's instructions and be protected from physical damage. Section 520.60 addresses lighting. This section applies to lighting installations in temporary structures. It requires that lighting fixtures be approved for the intended use and mounted in a secure manner. For air-supported structures, there are additional considerations to be taken. Firstly is mounting. Lighting fixtures and other electrical equipment must be mounted on the structure's membrane or on rigid supports within the structure. Special fasteners or adhesives may be required. Secondly is wiring. Wiring must be routed through the membrane or within the structure. It should be protected from damage from the movement of the membrane. Thirdly is access. Electrical panels, outlets, and other access points must be accessible for maintenance and repairs. Fourthly is safety. Electrical installations must be designed to prevent shocks, fires, and other hazards. This includes proper grounding and overcurrent protection. The NEC provides general guidance for electrical installations in temporary structures. While not explicitly addressing air-supported structures, the principles can be applied to ensure a safe and functional electrical system. It is recommended to consult with a qualified electrician or electrical engineer to design and implement an electrical system that meets the specific requirements of the air-supported structure.